everybody. I just wanted to spend some time showing everybody what our kits are about. Very difficult to do on social media because you get 3 minutes and then that's it really. So I'm going to do a series of videos and then I'll release them over the summer holidays, where hopefully we've all got a little bit more time to just stop, pause and have a little look. So typically the kits are all about creative expression. Certain kits have these beautiful high pigmented paints in them. Certain kits have our pens, pencil and paintbrush, and on the website it will explain what's got what. We do a lot of hand stamping. So these are all of our Wild Heart stamps that we've had custom made, and everything gets stamped in this beautiful pine cone brown. So it's all very calming, natural and true to our aesthetics that we like. So any kits that are a creative kit have this hand stamped book, and this idea is so that children can journal. So I don't know if anybody's looked into the benefits of journaling, but really important for all of us, even us adults, and whether they write in their scrapbook or whether they create their drawings, that's open to a lot of creativity for them. Any cards that we use, and again I'll show those in separate moments, in this little bag, My Feelings, My Way. And then the creative kits have these little grounding stones that the children can keep in their pocket, and anything that they're processing or taking a moment to acknowledge, they can hold that stone. And this says, I can take a moment. Each kit has a different little affirmation message to go with the stone to help the children link it into their experiences. And then if it's a school kit, they have this big bag with all of our kits in. There is actually 2 more that don't go in the school kits, but that is all the kits that we do. So there's a lot to share over the coming weeks. And everybody gets this card about holding the space. So when tricky emotions come up, how do we as adults hold that space for children? Some of our kits have bears in to offer comfort, and he's just such a gorgeous bear. And every kit that has a bear in has a Name Your Bear card, so the children can connect to him. He's lovely. And so that's an overview of the kits. They all come in these sort of postal boxes. The bigger kits have a white box, and then the smaller kits have this brown box there. And I'm going to separate all the videos out so that I talk about each kit individually.